Welcome, friends. I hope you find this video entertaining and instructional. This is to show you how to do some of the trickier things in the Padlet as you make your food web project. So the first thing that I want you to do is just simply double click on your screen. Up will pop a new note. Go ahead and give it a title. This one will be Atlantic Cod. And then what we're going to do is now we want to add an image to go along with this. So you can see my killer whale. I've got a title and I got an image. I did that really simply by clicking the three dots here and then did a Google search image. And because I gave it an interesting and informative title, it actually uses that title to search for me. And then you can scroll down and just look to find, a picture that you seem to like on that. I wouldn't spend hours on that. Just pick something that you like. The other thing you can do is once you've gone ahead and added all of your organisms, you can begin to organize them by what we call trophic level or energy level. So, a killer whale is going to probably be an apex predator. Not too sure where the Atlantic cod goes, so I'm going to put it right here for right now. The next thing that you want to do is over here you can see that I've got a link, and I've got a link from the killer whale to the krill. So how do I go ahead and add a link? Well, one thing I know is that the killer whale likes to eat the Atlantic cod. So if I hit these three dots as I hover over the Atlantic cod note, and I hit these three dots, up will come a whole bunch of actions. And what I want is connect a post. And now you'll see that I have an option to connect it to the killer whale and the krill. So here's something I want you to make sure that you're very careful. The Atlantic cod actually is eaten by the killer whale. So I want to connect the Atlantic cod to the killer whale in this manner. What you'll notice is the head of the arrow then points to the killer whale. If I had gone ahead and clicked it to the krill, I'd get what this is showing, which is the killer whale is being eaten by the krill, and that's not correct. So one of the things that I can do is, since I don't like that, down here I see the krill, and I see that that's incorrect. In fact, the Atlantic cod eats the krill. So I can go ahead and make some corrections. First of all, to delete the existing connection that I have, I just hit delete, disconnect from the post, and then I can go ahead and select the one that I want to. Now I can go back into here, hit my three dots, connect to a post, and connect to the right one. And now you'll notice this shows the energy going from the krill to the cod, and from the cod to the Atlantic whale. I can even move it around afterwards, and it just sort of readjusts the arrows, and that's really wonderful. So have a lot of fun. You can even change the background. This was just sort of a default one that I came to. Have a lot of fun. When you're all finished making your web and you've shown all the different relationships and you've gone ahead and added all of your labels, what I would like for you to do is to share it as an image. This is really important. If you share it as an image, then it'll basically take a screenshot of the whole Padlet you've made, and then you go ahead and turn that in. To do that, you're going to go up here to the share button and click on that, and you want to scroll down to where it says save as an image. If you click the save as an image, it'll create this photograph or an image or a JPEG probably that you can then turn in. You can download it onto your computer and then you can turn it in. So I hope you enjoy and have fun using Padlet to create your food webs in the Build Your Own Food Web Challenge. Thank you. Have fun.